Hi everyone, welcome once again to my channel, and this is my second video about review writing, of course about the film review, and I have already uploaded a video on book review, so do watch it. Generally, a movie review is a genre of art criticism. It's a very complex overview usually made by a professional critics on films which are recently released. So this helps the audience to decide whether to watch the film or not. And when you write a review of a film, you have to consider some of the points. So a film review can be written with the help of the points which are like this. For example, plot analysis, in which you can discuss the film plot briefly. You can share some information about characters, relations, and events, but you can't narrate the entire story. Reading the review should not replace watching the film. Yet, you are free to mention the most important moments or turning points that make the film worth watching. You can analyze the film in general and insert certain aspects, such as the acting, the work of the direction, theme, music, and special effects. Let's take a look at the steps to be followed to write a film review. First of all, you should choose a film. Means think about your favorite film or favorite movie which you would like to analyze. First of all, watch the movie and watch it in order to discover new details and to understand the characters and other elements of the movie. Try to notice the details of minor characters as well and other elements, music, lyrics, locations, etc. Then put all your thoughts together and make a general overview of the film so that the readers are able to decide whether they have to watch the movie or not. But don't spoil the climax. Reinforce your thoughts with the evidence and examples. You can also comment on the originality of the movie and you can compare it with the other films of the same genre. At the same time, some general or basic information needs to be provided, like the title, the year of the release, name of the script writer, director, producer, characters, and central story, that is the summary of the story. The summary or the central story should be very short. It can be a short exposition of a movie plot wherein we talk about characters and their interaction, and along with that plot characters we can also talk about some major and minor events and scenes. Moral, we can talk about the moral if it is there. Music, song, lyrics, cinematography, and your opinion, means the final verdict is very important. At the end of the review, you can give star rating depending upon your opinion. See, when you write a review, you need to have a good stock of vocabulary in order to describe different segments of a movie. So let us see how we can use different types of phrases, words, and sentences to analyze a movie. If we are talking about the music, we can use these kinds of words. Yeah, inspiring music. The movie has motivating music. It has wonderful sets, absolutely amazing, truly frightening or scary. Regarding the horror movie, you can use these terms. Extremely imaginative, exciting storyline. When you are describing the plot or the story, you can talk about this. Unique, magical, or hilarious. Great acting. If you want to refer somebody's acting, yeah, I like the acting of a particular actor. It was remarkable, it was marvelous. Well directed. If you are appreciating a director, you can definitely say that it was a well directed movie. If you want to talk negative about the movie, you can say definitely the story was boring, Appealing. Yeah, the story was appealing. The music was appealing. Entertaining. If you are talking about an entertaining movie or a comedy movie, you can definitely use this word. Confusing. Maybe the story was confusing. Melodramatic. Fascinating. Remarkable. Incredible. Thrilling. While talking about the action movie, you can use these words: thrilling, mind blowing. Arouse curiosity, it arouses curiosity. In while talking about the suspense movies, you can use these words: realistic, based on the facts, full of tension, unbelievable, funny, spectacular scenes. When you are talking about the budget of the movie, you can definitely use these words that, yeah, this movie is a low budget movie, or this is a high budget movie. This is highly romantic, satirical, disappointing. The story is very disappointing, uninteresting. Yeah, you have to give your opinion as well. For example, you can say that at the end of the review, you can say it's a must watch movie, or a worth watching movie, or don't miss it. It's a waste of time if you are talking negative. It isn't worth seeing or worth watching. I think the film is fantastic. The special effects are terrible, mind blowing. Useful phrases to write film review. See, when we are talking about a particular genre, we have to mention whether it is drama, whether it is action movie, thriller, romantic, musical, comedy, etc. Producer, whether the movie is produced by XYZ person, you have to write down that. Director, a film is directed by Mr. XYZ. You can say that it is well directed movie of Mr. XYZ. It's expertly directed movie of Mr. Bhansali, like that. When you are talking about the script, you can use these words. Yeah, it's a multi-layered script. The script was written by somebody and that was very beautiful. Yeah, somebody's writing is astonishing, it's witty, it's amazing. Talking about the setting or atmosphere of the movie, you can say that yes, the movie's setting, it is set in London. The story unfolds in dash dash. It provides the setting for, you can mention the name of movie, dash dash movie creates a certain atmosphere or creates a certain mood. When you are describing the actors and characters and their performance, you can definitely use these words. Yeah, a such and such actor gave an exceptional performance. The performances in, you can write down the name of the movie. The performances in particular movie are excellent. Dash dash adds a lot to the film. Dash dash is absolutely remarkable. You can mention the name of a particular actor. For example, Salman is absolutely remarkable. Dash dash is very or less convincing. The most complex, incredibly played character is that of, you can mention the name of somebody. A film is full of wonderful characters, appealing, fascinating, funny, two-dimensional, warm-hearted. These are some of the phrases that you can definitely use while describing the characters and actors. Plot and story. When you are describing about the plot, the story, you can use these words. Amusing, the story is amusing, or if it is not good, if you didn't like it, you can say it's boring, it's confusing. And at the same time, when you find it interesting, you can say, yeah, it's entertaining, it's exciting, melodramatic, thrilling, unbelievable, or full of suspense. Arouse curiosity or tension. Unexpected plot twist. One of the most surprising moments in the film occurs when, you can mention the scene. Dialogues. When you have to talk about the dialogue, you can use these words. For example, it's melodramatic. Dialogues are not convincing or unconvincing. Realistic. Talking about the music and soundtrack, you can use these sentences. The music conveys a sad, happy, or melancholy atmosphere or ambience. The music underlines a mood, evokes feelings, shows a character's emotions, connects scenes. The music and the lyrics support the plot. Miscellaneous other factors, other elements of the movie. For example, you can use these lines. The film contains a few funny bits which are full of humorous moments. The film gets extremely dramatic in places. So here you can quote some examples if you need. One of the most poignant scenes of the movie is, once again you can mention the scene. The film is close to reality. Evaluation, overall evaluation of the movie, whether it is worth watching or not, must see movie or a box office success or a complete failure. Worth seeing, not to be missed, an emotionally strong film, a truly great piece of filmmaking, an impressive debut of a particular actor or a director. I definitely recommend this film to everybody. The film literally brought tears to my eyes. I highly, strongly, definitely recommend the film. If you like the action, this is the film for you. If you like romantic movies, then this is the film for you. So you can mention that particular genre of the film and then you can complete the sentence. I certainly wouldn't recommend the film because you can give reason why did not you like the film. I'm afraid it is complete waste of time and money. It's a film that will change the way you think about a particular director, think about a particular genre of the film, or think about the particular actor. I was impressed by. When you are appreciating the film overall, you can use these phrases. It's a thought-provoking story of director aims to achieve a certain effect by doing this or doing that. Uses dash dash to underline or to emphasize something. Draws a viewer's attention to something and tries to convey a certain idea or a certain theme. Talking about sound and music again. The rhythmic background music contributes to the atmosphere of the movie. The effect of this scene is enhanced by the music. The scene is accompanied by soft, alarming, melancholic music. The soundtrack contributes to the mood, atmosphere of the scene. The sound, the music provides an extra feeling of tension, adds to the ambience. The sound sets the scene, builds tension, finishes the scene. The soundtrack creates the mood of dash dash or contributes to the serious atmosphere. The music is gloomy, aggressive, fast, slow, you can mention like that. There are some of the adjectives which are mentioned here. Here is a list of adjectives that you can use when you are talking about a movie. Like action-packed movie, amusing, badly acted, balanced, beautiful, extremely boring or extremely beautiful, breathtaking, captivating, compelling, complex, totally confusing or slightly confusing, disappointing, means the story is very disappointing, enigmatic, enjoyable, entertaining, exciting, fantastic, truly, fascinating, funny, gripping, hilarious, humorous, inspiring, manipulative, perfect, poignant, powerful, realistic or unrealistic, ridiculous, romantic, overacted, overrated, overwhelming, perfect or imperfect, predictable, provocative, silly, stupid, surprising, super, tense, unbelievable, highly uplifting. So, by using these adjectives, you can definitely describe the movie very well. When you give a star rating to a movie, you should judge a movie on the basis of these criteria. For example, if the movie is box office hit and it is all time great, then you can give all full 5 star. If it is outstanding, maybe 4.5, excellent, 4 stars, very good, good, average. So considering these criteria, you can decide the star rating of a movie. Let us see one sample example of a film review. I have selected here one movie which is very famous, Tanaji the Unsung Warrior. First of all, this is a basic info of the movie, like title Tanaji the Unsung Warrior, year of release 2020, director Om Raut, produced by Ajay Devgan, Bhushan Kumar and Krishan Kumar. Cast, that is the characters or actors, Ajay Devgan, Kajol, Saif Ali Khan. You can mention that Saif Ali Khan shines as an anti-hero in Ajay Devgan and Kajol's film. Storyline: Tanaji the Unsung Warrior is an exaggerated movie of great Maratha warrior Tanaji Malusare, who was the Subedar in the army of Maratha King Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Genre of the movie, that is the type of the movie, this is biographical action drama. Setting and location of the movie: the film was mainly shot at the film city in Mumbai. Making the Sandan Valley set was the biggest challenge for them. Some of the highlights of the movie: Tanaji the Unsung Warrior stars Ajay Devgan in the so-called role. Saif Ali Khan is seen playing a negative role of Rajput Mughal fort keeper Uday Bhan Singh. It's been almost a decade since we last saw Ajay and Kajol Devgan together on the screen. Summary of the movie, or the central idea in short: it is the 17th century when Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb is ruling the northern parts of India. He aspires to expand his empire by defeating the Marathas. Aurangzeb sets a Rajput general, Mirza Raja Jai Singh, against the Marathas. To save his people and his kingdom, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, the role was played by Sharad Kelkar, surrenders 23 of his forts, including the fort of Kondhana, under the Treaty of Purandar. 4 years after capturing the fort, the Mughal emperor sends his Rajput fort keeper Udaybhan Singh Rathod, that is Saif Ali Khan, to destroy an entire fort. The Marathas plan to recapture the fort of Kondhana and are led by Tanaji Malusare. The role was played by Ajay Devgan in this struggle. Kajol is seen playing Tanaji's wife, Savitribai Malusare. Kajol's Savitribai is an Adarsh Maratha wife who stands with her husband in pain and in sorrow. Kajol's chemistry with husband Ajay is refreshing. In his anti-hero avatar, Saif Ali Khan yet again proves his versatility. His character is evil and unpleasant. While there are several historical loopholes in this character and his mannerisms which appear to have been influenced by Afghani culture more than Mughal. However, the film is a weak attempt to glorify the Maratha warrior. The film projects to be a grand affair, but poor writing and its slow pace make it unbearable in parts. The action sequences have been shot with absolutely zero consideration for basic physics. Men are walking on the walls parallel to the ground, and there is no logic behind how the ropes are able to pull the men by just being hung on the side walls of the fort. Talking about the cinematography of the movie, we can say the film looks grand and beautiful, which can help it fetch audiences to the theaters. Talking about music, song and dance, we can say its songs, which are again majorly about flaunting masculinity, are upbeat. The music credits are shared by Sachit Parampara, Ajay Atul and Mehul Vyas. The first track is choreographed by Ganesh Acharya. Mehul makes full use of traditional wind instrument tutari to showcase the challenge that Ajay portrays throughout the song. Message and evaluation. Tanaji was a valiant Maratha warrior, but he was a human. By showing a human being with extraordinary capabilities, by exaggerating his qualities to the point of making him unbelievably superhuman, the makers end up turning this historical hero into a fictional creation and not a flesh and blood person who can inspire the upcoming generations. At the end of the review, you can give rating. I have given here 3 stars, which means good. Your opinion, the final verdict. The movie is worth watching for entertainment and information, though some of the ideas are not up to the marks and changed from history to make it more spicy. Kajol played her small but impactful role beautifully. She is graceful while Ajay is awesome. So overall, it's a good visual effects and graphics. With this, I come to an end of the video. Keep reading more such film reviews on Google. Thank you so much and all the best.